Online arbitration platforms versus court litigation. Which one is better for cross-border business disputes? Most businesses get this wrong. They assume international disputes automatically require court proceedings. The surprising truth is that online arbitration platforms can often resolve cross-border disputes faster, more cost-effectively, and with greater flexibility than traditional litigation. Online arbitration platforms allow parties to resolve conflicts virtually with appointed arbitrators, following a structured yet streamlined process. For example, two companies in different countries disputing a contract clause can submit documents, present evidence, and attend hearings entirely online. This reduces travel costs, accelerates timelines, and maintains confidentiality. Platforms also often provide access to arbitrators with specialized expertise in particular industries or jurisdictions, which is critical for complex international disputes. Court litigation, in contrast, involves formal legal proceedings in a specific jurisdiction. While courts offer enforceable judgments and well-established procedures, cross-border cases often become expensive and time-consuming. Serving documents internationally, navigating differing legal systems, and lengthy appeal processes can stretch disputes over years. For instance, a commercial dispute spanning 3 countries may take multiple years and incur significant legal fees if pursued through traditional courts. The key difference is speed, cost, and flexibility versus formal enforceability. Online arbitration delivers faster resolutions and reduced overhead, while courts provide formal judicial authority and potentially stronger enforcement mechanisms in certain jurisdictions. Many businesses benefit from incorporating arbitration clauses into contracts, reserving courts only for enforcement when necessary. The takeaway is clear: online arbitration platforms are often the better first choice for cross-border disputes, especially where confidentiality, speed, and specialized expertise matter. The surprising truth is that combining arbitration with strategic use of courts can maximize efficiency while preserving enforceable rights. For international businesses, understanding the advantages of online arbitration versus traditional litigation ensures disputes are handled efficiently, costs are controlled, and outcomes are optimized.